Other things, this handling ring was made is a little bit difficult to bend. I use this wires and some heavy metal block to hammer it, especially at the end of this bend. It will be blocked by this area when doing this bending. And after bending, I make screw hole here and lock it with screw and nut. And there are 4 screws here. Serve two purposes. The bridge is inside here, but there is a lot of gap on the sides. I need to use this screw to fill the gaps, so this loop will not wobbling or move sideways. The second purpose of this adjustable screws serve as a locking purposes. When I don't want this handling loops or carrier to move freely sideways, I lock it tightly to press on the bridge, and then it will be clamped on the bridge. Now I need to put on the bridge. I need to disassemble one side here and pass through it to the bridge. This steel beam tracks on this bridge, and I will fix it by screw. Actually, I can use arc welding to weld some spot here, but I choose use screw mounting. The screw method make the assembly can be disassembly and reassembly. And here the hole and screw fitting made here, and countersink hole here. I use this tab screw here so it will flush with the surface for the moving carrier wheels. Crank finished, and luckily I can park it here. Otherwise it will occupy a lot of my space in this small room, and whenever I use it, I will move it out. Strictly, and here I attach the lever hose here, and this is the hook, and this carrier can be moved. When I need to move to this area, I need to disassemble this starting beams, and here is some steel beam, fat steel beams here, several pieces. I store it here. Whenever I use them, I will take it out. It will be used in tightening up the bottom area of two sides. So when I need to move this living crane in a longer distance, I will use those pins to tie it up during moving to make it more secure, to prevent the two triangular from spreading outwards. Now I don't need to use it at the moment, and in the next day I will, if I have time, I will put on the paints on them. For the test run, now I'm going to leave it this mini lathe and move it out. In the past, I need at least two guys to pick it up. It's about 120 or 113 pounds. For me, I cannot take it by myself. Now I tie it up here, the knob here. I don't know how to use this buckle. Later on I will try to figure out how to use it. Okay, and there is this lever knob. I push it that way so I can start to lift it up. And I need to take, it seems it's not in the balance position. It's almost lifted, but it's tilted. And it's difficult to have the balance because this side is very heavy. Anyway, it's now lifted up, and I will move the crane outside. So now I move this up outside. So I can lowering it and lower it down to the ground. And this lever knob just when turned to left side, it will, when is for the lowering it down, and when you push this, it will go down. So if this living hall is in good condition, it's quite safe. I test the moving this area. It's okay. Now it's on the ground. Now I put it back on the top of the drawer, and I pack the crank into the inside the area. Now it's done, and this leafing hole is rated at 0.5 ton, so it has the capacity of 1,000 pounds, and I just do the leafing and move this handle, and I feel it's some heavy, but it's just this machine is only 100 something pounds. So if I use full capacity, I think the turning of the lever is quite heavy. And this is the end of the video, and thank you for your watching. If you liked it, please thumbs up and subscribe it.